The Mercedes M-Class didn't just change the SUV game, it rewrote the rulebook entirely, and over nearly 3 decades, its story has been one of constant reinvention, growing luxury, and a relentless pursuit of safety. Today, we're taking a deep dive into every generation of this iconic nameplate and finding out exactly how each one performed when put to the ultimate test. Before we get into it, if you love honest, in-depth breakdowns of how your favorite cars hold up in crashes, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. W163. When Mercedes-Benz unveiled the W163 in 1997, it sent shockwaves through the American market. Built in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, yes, a Mercedes assembled right here in the United States, this was a genuine luxury SUV arriving ready to compete with the Ford Explorer and the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It offered V6 and V8 engines, a fully independent suspension that departed significantly from the truck-based ladder frames dominating the segment, and a four-wheel drive system called 4ETS that used brake-based traction control to mimic a locking differential. Real wood trim, quality leather, and genuine interior refinement made it feel like nothing else in the class. Early production struggled with quality control issues, electrical gremlins, premature component wear, and fit and finish problems embarrassing for the three-pointed star. A significant facelift in 2002 brought revised styling, improved materials, and mechanical refinements throughout. Crash test performance was mixed. NHTSA gave it 4 stars in frontal testing, respectable for the period, but side impact results were modest, as side curtain airbags were not yet standard equipment. The IIHS found acceptable frontal offset performance, but flagged the lack of side head protection as a genuine concern. Competitive for the late 90s, but the architecture had real limits. W164. The second-generation M-Class was a complete ground-up redesign, and Mercedes meant business. The interior quality leap was immediate and dramatic. Soft-touch materials replaced harder plastics. The instrument cluster gained sophistication, and the overall sense of refinement was transformed. This finally felt like a proper Mercedes inside. The engine range included a 3.5-liter V6 with 272 horsepower, a 4.7-liter V8 making 302 horsepower, and the ML63 AMG producing 503 horsepower. A smooth 7-speed automatic replaced the old 5-speed unit. Optional airmatic air suspension allowed drivers to raise or lower the vehicle for different conditions, and transformed ride comfort over rough surfaces. Crash test results were a genuine turning point. NHTSA awarded 5 stars in frontal testing and 4 stars in side impact. The IIHS rated it good, the highest possible score, in frontal offset testing, and good in side impact when optional curtain airbags were fitted. Structural integrity was notably stronger than the first generation. A genuinely safe vehicle and a meaningful step forward for the nameplate. W166. The third generation arrived for the 2012 with sharper, more aggressive styling and a thoroughly upgraded interior. The Command infotainment system grew to a 7-inch display, seating position was revised for better outward visibility, and materials quality made the W166 a credible competitor to the BMW X5 and Audi Q7. A panoramic sunroof option transformed the interior ambiance entirely. The engine lineup was overhauled across the board. The ML350 produced 302 horsepower. The ML550 biturbo V8 generated 402 horsepower, and the ML63 AMG delivered 518 horsepower. Most significantly for American buyers, the ML350 BlueTech Diesel arrived with 240 horsepower and a massive 422 pound-feet of torque, making it a compelling highway cruiser. Crash testing reached a new high for the nameplate. The IIHS awarded top safety pick status with good ratings across frontal offset, side impact, and roof strength categories. NHTSA gave 5 stars in both frontal and side tests. Rear protection was rated good as well. This placed the W166 among the safest SUVs on sale in America. A remarkable transformation from where this nameplate had started. W166 GLE. In 2015, Mercedes renamed the M-Class as the GLE class, aligning it with the company's broader naming strategy. The platform carried over, but meaningful updates arrived in technology and driver assistance. Pre-safe collision mitigation, active lane keeping, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go became widely available across trim levels. The exterior received a revised front fascia with a wider grille and cleaner bumper design, while the interior gained expanded personalization options popular with American luxury buyers. The GLE Coupe debuted alongside the traditional body style, a sloping roofline variant aimed directly at the BMW X6 that proved enormously popular in the United States. Safety performance remained strong. The IIHS maintained good ratings in all key structural categories, and top safety pick recognition continued. NHTSA 5-star results held firm. However, headlight performance on certain trim levels was flagged by the IIHS as inadequate, a criticism Mercedes took directly into the engineering brief for the next generation. V167 GLE. The current GLE on the all-new V167 platform represents the most significant engineering leap this nameplate has ever taken. The double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension architecture is the most sophisticated the M-Class or GLE has ever carried. The optional e-active body control system reads the road surface ahead with cameras and proactively adjusts each wheel's damping rate before it reaches an obstacle. The ride quality this produces borders on the supernatural for a vehicle of this size. Inside, the dual 10.25-inch MBUX screen setup redefined luxury SUV technology expectations. Natural language voice control, augmented reality navigation, and over-the-air software updates are all standard. Materials quality positions the GLE as a direct competitor to the Range Rover Sport. Engine options span from a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 255 horsepower, to the AMG GLE 63S, with 603 horsepower, with a plug-in hybrid offering genuine electric range in between. In crash testing, the V167 set a new benchmark for the segment. The IIHS awarded Top Safety Pick Plus, the absolute highest recognition, with good ratings across every structural crash test category. The headlight issues of the previous generation were resolved, with the digital light system earning a good rating. NHTSA gave 5 stars overall. Euro NCAP awarded 5 stars with adult occupant protection at 92% and safety assist systems at 85%. One of the safest SUVs ever independently evaluated. From the brave but imperfect W163 of the late 90s to the extraordinary V167 GLE of today, every generation of this nameplate has been safer, more refined, and more capable than the one before it. If you are shopping used, the W164 and W166 offer outstanding value with proven crash test credentials. If budget allows, the current GLE is in a class of its own. Mercedes got this one right. If this breakdown helped, hit subscribe, drop a comment telling us your favorite generation, and check out our other crash test deep dives. We will see you in the next one.